My favorite part about the event was definitely hearing from the different panels, just hearing from people with experience in syndications. It's really great to know that there are other people that have gone through problems that I might be facing or challenges that I might have in front of me.
The detail of the course, they really show you how to analyze a deal, source a deal from A to Z.
The networking I've been able to do, we have a deal under contract, and here at the boot camp, there's a lot of people that are so interested in our deal that expressed an interest in possibly investing with us.
So I've been looking at many deals, but never made any offers. So first thing I'm gonna do when I go back home today is call back my brokers and make my first offers. And once I have my offers, I'll be able to know a bit more about it.
A very great course.
I definitely recommend coming to Deal Maker Bootcamp next year.